regarding sa tinatanong mo sa TV, kaya nandito si President Guido ng TV5, may bagong tahanan na ang PBA. Mr. Guido.
So, as part of yung support ng TV5 to strengthen yung goals ni PBA, we have in fact brought in 2 more partners to help this. The first one is Zoe TV, and the other one is ABS-CBN. So, ang bagong tahanan ng PBA will now be A to Z. So, we will be supporting the PBA and will be showing the PBA live on every game day. So, doon na po sa A to Z ang PBA to ensure na moving forward, we'll be able to also build on even yung mga other games ng PBA kasi dedicated time slot na po yan sa A to Z. The primary reason kasi is we believe the PBA really needs a dedicated home. And we saw the possibilities with Zoe. Coming from yung strategy meeting that Sir Ricky talked about to continue to build the PBA, if we have a dedicated home for the PBA, then we'll be able to feature more of the games in the future. So, pati na po yung 3x3, tsaka esports, where we'll be coordinating with Zoe and ABS-CBN for that. The other reason is because as we bring in more partners, then we strengthen yung capability to promote the PBA kasi mas marami na kami in promoting the PBA. At the same time, of course, I have to also acknowledge na ang TV5, ang focus ng TV5, if you notice ever since earlier this year, ay ifo-focus na po namin sa entertainment and news. So meron na po tayong solid na entertainment and news channel, meron na po kaming sports channel. So it's a good balance for both.
Follow-up, sir. Sir, yung bali sa One Sports, mawawala na rin yung PBA, hindi na ba i-air? Sa One Sports, hindi na po i-air yung games?
Catch up, Jerry.
Catch up na lang.
Oo. So ang live na live nasa A to Z. Pero may catch up. Kasi ang One Sports, ang dami ibang properties yan eh. Meron, that they need to also air na live.
Pero sa PBA Rush, tuloy pa rin po.
Oo. So, ang PBA po is also available kung may pay TV kayo sa PBA Rush. Yan, buong channel dedicated to the PBA. Diba? Tapos, kung if you're mobile or you don't have access to a TV, meron pong Pilipinas Live. That's the app of Signal where you'll see all of the different leagues there. Yan talaga maganda kasi live na nga, tapos multi-camera yung views na pwede mong piliin. Have you tried it, Jer?
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.